7. The method of practice. Emphasis is placed on keeping continuous mindfulness throughout the day while we are sitting, standing, walking, lying down, changing positions, as well as during all other necessary actions such as eating, brushing the teeth, bathing, using the toilet, dressing, and the like. The effort is to keep the attention in the present from moment to moment so that we can observe with clarity what is there. We keep attention on one object at a time, focusing on an object that is predominant. We can practice mindfulness in all of the 4 basic postures: sitting, standing, walking, and lying down. A. Sitting posture. We begin by taking a comfortable but alert sitting posture. What are you doing now? Sitting. What is sitting? Rupa, or body is sitting. Who knows sitting? Nama, or mind knows sitting. You can start by becoming aware of your normal breathing in and breathing out. Focus attention on the abdomen. When we breathe in, the abdomen is rising, and when we breathe out, the abdomen is falling. Be mindful of the rising and falling of the breathing process. When the mind starts thinking, and only when thinking becomes predominant, be aware of thinking and then return attention to the rising and falling of the abdomen. If there is pain, focus attention on pain only when it becomes predominant, and then return attention to the rising and falling, and so on, with each object that arises in consciousness in the present moment, moment to moment. While breath is the main object, insight meditation also includes all other objects that arise in consciousness. No object becomes a hindrance, since any of the 4 objects of mindfulness, body, feeling, mind, and mental objects, have equal value. The most important thing is the quality of the awareness that is given to each of these objects as it arises. B. Hand by hand. While in the sitting position, put both hands on the knees, palms down. Slowly, step by step, move the right hand straight up to the chest level, paying close attention to each step of the movement of the hand. Now, lower the hand slowly, paying attention to the movement as the hand goes back to its original position. Repeat the process with the same hand or alternate with the other hand. By keeping mindfulness on the movement, awareness is in the present moment. C. Standing. After sitting, slowly move step by step, keeping one object at one time in view, to a standing position. When standing, focus attention on the whole body standing. What are you doing now? Standing. What is standing? Rupa, or body is standing. Who knows standing? Nama, or mind knows standing. When the mind wanders away, as soon as you are aware of it as a predominant object, focus attention on it mindfully, and then return to focusing attention on standing in the present moment. D. Walking. When doing walking meditation, focus mindfulness on the movement of the foot, such as lifting, moving forward, and placing the foot. This is done slowly with complete attention on the movement of the foot, keeping the mind in the present. What are you doing now? Walking. What is walking? Rupa, or body, is walking. Who knows walking? Nama, or mind, knows walking. The walking meditation can be started with focusing on 2 general steps of movement, such as the moving of the left foot and then the right foot. These steps of movement are gradually increased to 6 steps, which include focusing on the finer aspects of the movement of the foot, such as lifting the heel, and so on. By focusing mindfulness on all objects step by step throughout the day, the practice becomes continuous, and all objects are seen as reduced to nama and rupa, or mind and matter. Indeed, continuity of practice is the secret of success. E. Lying down. Unless weak or ill, newcomers to insight training should avoid lying down unnecessarily except to sleep at the appropriate time. If you are tired and wish to rest for short periods, try to keep continuous mindfulness. Take a position that will not induce sleep. Inclining the body, mindfully lower the body to the surface, noting contact. Slowly lift the legs, one at a time. Mindfully note rising and falling of abdominal movement, lying and touching. Find a clear touching point. What are you doing now? Lying down. What is lying down? Rupa, or body, is lying down. Who knows lying down? Nama, or mind, knows lying down. As a beginner, if you do fall asleep, try to establish mindfulness from the moment you awake. When awake, try to note the intention to rise. Focus on each and every movement in connection with rising.